So that the computer is booting and I'm pressing the F12 key, so I can see the menu. Now I will be booting from the USB drive and press enter, and then boot from, press any key to boot from USB. So the Windows have now been booting from the USB drive. uh, Remember, I will try to show you as much as I can, like how to set up these computers from scratch. They basically, the process is the same for all of the other machines. If you know one process, you know how to set up and how to install uh, Windows on one machine. You can set up the Windows on all of the machines. So we are waiting for the, here accept the terms, and you want to be using this option. And I have other drives on this machine, particularly drive 1 and drive 2 and drive 0. What you want to be doing is, uh, you want to be deleting the drive which you want to be installing, because if you do not delete the drive that you want to be installed, it might not be installed correctly, or you might have double windows showing up. So I'm going to delete partition 0 and delete this 0, so that leaves us with the 250 GB space. So I will be using just one drive, and this is the unallocated, which shows up drive 2. So I have three drives on this computer. So click on new, and I will be using just one partition. So that's it, and partition 0 reserved 1. So we'll be formatting this one and formatting this one. So uh, we will be installing the Windows in the partition 2, because obviously you cannot install in a 500 MB, you have to go bigger. So click next, and that's about it. And the Windows process have now been started. I might pause and come back if it tries to restart, or do I will do some other setup or something like that. uh, and by the way, bear with me because I'm recording in this odd format. So because I do not have a stand that supports the wide screen variant, so I could do this with one hand, but I thought it would be a lot better if the video would be stable. Now it's trying to reboot, so let it reboot. Now uh, I do not want to boot from the USB. The USB is no longer needed, so I pull it out, and the setup of the Windows has now been copied to the system, and it will install on its own. Remember that it is installing fast right now, because we have the SSD drive, uh, which boots up Windows. So you can see the process. you can skip if you already know how to install Windows, or maybe this is getting too slow for you. So I will try to cut these videos as much as I can. And for somebody who has no experience how to do this, this will probably be you know I will uh, I will not try to hide something, or not show the or I will not try to show the process rather than skipping a step. So if this gets too boring, I might sped up the video